This is a pedal-powered dental drill. It could go a whopping 500 RPMs, which is way more than the hand drills before it that could only go 15 RPMs. It was invented by George Washington's personal dentist, John Greenwood, in 1790, and it was adapted from his mother's spinning wheel. The only problem is it still created a bunch of heat. I heard that the dentist would make the patients pedal because one, it would save the dentist from having to stress pedaling, and two, the patient would have to pedal faster because the quicker they went, the quicker the procedure would go. Makes sense.